The PV market is rapidly expanding due to increasing and deep public concerns regarding environmental issues, and due to governmental subsidizing for new PV system purchases, installations, and surplus power. This market expansion has led many new and related companies into the PV market, and the types of available PV modules increases almost daily. Because of the fact that PV systems can be utilized for decades once they have been developed and brought onto the market, Kyocera realizes the need for reliability and endeavors to produce the most reliable and highest quality products available. Kyocera is a pioneer in the development and marketing of PV systems and began its manufacturing more than 35 years ago when PV systems were viewed as nothing more than science fiction technology. Now in commonplace, Kyocera's modules can be seen deployed as standalone PV systems, residential PV systems, public and industrial systems, and even large-scale PV power plants, bringing clean power to an ever-widening variety of end users. Kyocera's PV process is vertically integrated, meaning that we are able to assure superior quality along every step of the production, from the ingot to the module. As a result, Kyocera's multicrystalline solar cells have achieved a conversion efficiency rate of 17%, among the highest in the world. Kyocera utilizes the following 5 steps for module development to assure quality. Visualize the unique requirements for installation and tailor the system accordingly. Design the module based on the visualized requirements. Used advanced computer modeling to simulate the installation in order to understand the unique stresses and environmental influences under which the modules will be required to function. Perform real-life tests in order to verify the results of the simulations. Produce and deploy the system using Kyocera's comprehensive process of strict testing and verification at every step. In Kyocera Solar Center in the city of Sakura near Narita Airport, Japan, the 43 kilowatt PV modules we installed originally in 1984 are still performing well. The foundation of Kyocera's output warranty is based on this 25 years of installed PV module performance data and our rich experience as a pioneer in the field. After 25 years, the average output degradation is only 9.6%, demonstrating the consistently high quality of Kyocera's advanced PV modules. The exceptional quality of Kyocera solar cells has been verified not only by Kyocera's own internal tests, but also by testing by outside organizations. In 2011, Kyocera's solar panels were the first in the world to earn certification following long-term sequential testing by Tufu Rhineland Japan, a leading product safety and quality third-party certification organization. The rigorous program included 4 different tests: damp heat, thermal cycling, humidity freeze, and bypass diode. Typically, different modules are used for each of these tests, but Tufu Rhineland Japan used the same module for all 4 in an effort to evaluate its quality under continuous load. The test regimen continued for about 1 year, with each test imposing a load of up to 4 times normal levels. Kyocera is the first manufacturer in the world to meet these extremely rigorous standards. In this way, the quality of Kyocera Solar cells, which are backed up by an exceptional track record and some of the industry's most reliable technology, has been verified by an outside organization. This data shows how Kyocera's advanced PV products perform compared to other brands in high temperature and humidity testing. Kyocera's modules lead the pack, consistently outperforming other modules. This proves the enduring quality and long life of Kyocera's advanced solar products. As we shared a moment ago, Kyocera assures superior quality by vertically integrating the production process from the ingot to the final production of its photovoltaic modules. Using advanced computer modeling and simulations, verifying a design and implementation using rigorous testing, and finally conducting real-life tests on the final designs and products. Here is an example of Kyocera's high-quality design and production practices in the field. Modules are analyzed with maximum load applied. Evaluation is performed with the modules fixed to their field mountings, simulating the final installation. First, we study how modules are deformed by load according to CAE simulations. This graphic shows how the load is applied to the module. The 48-cell, 54-cell, and 60-cell modules perform flawlessly under the projected load in the tests. Next, we perform verification tests. Kyocera always compares current verification results to its extensive database of prior simulations, assuring the validity of current tests and adding to its vast base of data and experience. This test demonstrates the modules are fixed to their mounting structures on the longer side and the shorter side with clamps. We have twisted the module out of shape by CAE simulation. Once the module deformation is confirmed by means of a CAE simulation, verification tests are performed using actual modules. This graphic shows the effects of changing the mounting positions with projected loads, applied to assure that no problems will occur in the field. Of course, verification tests were performed after using the CAE simulations as shown. This graphic shows testing of temporary load resistance and continuous load resistance to assure problem-free operation over the life of the installation. This graphic shows testing for resistance to damage from earthquakes. Modules are analyzed for resistance to vibrations from earthquakes, as well as the effects of vibrations and resonance from the mounting structures. This graphic shows an analysis of temperature variation for a module installed on a roof. Here we will introduce CAE simulation data. Kyocera's advanced PV technology, backed by cutting-edge product development and developed with vertical integration to assure superior quality, are available through a worldwide distribution and service network. Their uses range from small standalone PV systems to large-scale PV power plants, and our clean energy is spread out all over the world. In 2009, Kyocera Solar cells were selected for use in the PRIUS after meeting Toyota Motors' stringent quality control standards. Electrical power and electronic technology are essential in all areas of our lives, and we at Kyocera endeavor to provide the highest quality and most advanced technology for our current and future customers. Step into the world of reliability with Kyocera's advanced technology.